What's up, guys? In keeping with my commitments, trying to get videos made out of all the subjects that people have asked about and wondered about. This is another one of those. As luck would have it, this one didn't require a whole lot of effort on my part because it was already in the works. And my buddy Joe, he is moving to Siem Reap from Kampong Tom. So he came by and said he wanted to look at some newer, more modern, more Western-friendly apartments. And we actually found two in the same building.
Oh, hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello, my friend. Take your seat.
Hello. And well, here's what you can get in Siem Reap for $250 and $300 respectively. The only real difference we saw is in the apartments was the square footage. Well, you're going to see both apartments. I'll give you a tour of both of them. And you'll get to find out which one Joe eventually picked. And the good thing about the people we dealt with was that they were very patient. They were willing to let him pay. They were willing to let him pay and sign his lease, but not start it until the 1st. So that gives him a week to go back to Kampong Tom and gather all this stuff. He has a lot of stuff. So he's going to have to take like a regular truck, like a moving truck sort of deal. Or what passes for one here. Unlike me, who can fit everything in a tuk-tuk ride. So they were very nice. They worked with them. And as you're going to see, these are very, very nice apartments. All right. No more talky, more looky. Get on with the apartment tours. All right, guys, we're now at the apartment. One of them that we found, Joe's right there. As you can see, this is our tuk-tuk driver for the day. And Sony. And we're here. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Looks like a nice quiet area. No neighbors out front or anything. But there are access to the main road right up there around that curve and then out. But the road itself is quiet. So let's look inside and see what this apartment is about. Ooh, look at that. Nice kitchen. Nice kitchen with a range hood. Covered.
This one is new building.
It is a new building, yeah. Ooh, look at that sink, guys. Wow.
1 month ago.
Got a washing machine. Nice big fridge. Shelves. Flat screen TV, chairs, love seat. Oh, garden.
Yeah, small terrace.
Oh, look at that, a little terrace of your own.
Private, yes.
Private terrace, look at this.
Private terrace.
Oh, this is very nice.
Yeah, and you can go there too.
Yeah, look at this, guys. Nice. I like this. I would be sitting out here all the
I
time.
can't come out here naked. They got a camera.
Well, the camera can't pick up what it can't see, buddy.
It's right there.
Yeah, but I was,
Oh.
yeah, you know, yeah, that was.
Yeah, and you can
Yeah.
you have a private garden.
Yeah. Private garden.
With my own mosquitoes.
Yeah. You can grow your own mosquito.
Oh no,
farm.
it's 420. There's my alarm.
Is it 4:20 already?
Yeah.
Ah, that's his alarm.
Yeah, here's the
And
shower.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we haven't opened the electricity.
Oh, okay, okay. But
And
anyway,
I
guys,
tell you, this
that's a nice
one
big-
300 per month, and we have the small one 250 per month.
I went out there, that big, what do you call it, the waterfall shower.
This
Look at that. Oh,
big
man.
one for 300.
This
And then it has
one,
the bathroom is in a separate
that one,
room.
250.
which is very rare, by the way. And let's look at the bedroom. Nice big door.
This one, 150 square meter.
No mattress. They might provide that later, though. Wow. Nice big bedroom. Can't really see anything out the window, but it is pretty tall, so, and it's got roll-up curtains, so you can block out the sun when you're trying to sleep. And then look, step out here into another little private area. Well, not private, because that's the main entrance, but yeah.
Where do they do the laundry? Where can I wash clothes?
The washer.
Yeah.
They have a washer over there.
We have washing machine here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Washer's over there.
But I like to have, I have a little tub where the baby can play with
Oh,
water.
We would like to
And this one is
buy yourself.
$300 a month for this one only. And he said he has another one, it's just a little smaller, for $250. But this one's got a cable included, Wi-Fi included. The only thing you pay extra for is electricity, and you pay extra for water also, right? Yeah, electricity and water. So that's it, guys. This is how beautiful and nice a place you can get for $300 here in town. What a bargain! All right.
You want to look at the 250? I like this one, I guess. But
All right, guys, and right next door to that one I just showed you is the one for $250. There's the one for $300. This is the one for $250.
This one, the big one, this one 160 square meters, and this one around 150 square meters.
150 square
Yeah.
meters. But again, same thing. TV,
Yeah,
that's balcony or a little patio area. Get a little love seat, no chair. But again, big kitchen, cabinets, refrigerator. And yes, they asked they will put they'll get everything all ready for him. Mattress, all the other stuff he wants. They just don't have it in here until they rent it. And he's playing with the safe. And these do come, both apartments come with the safe for your valuables. Another little balcony or patio area right there. Hey buddy, what are you doing? Are you trying to break into that safe? I'm gonna call the police on you. Take you to kitty jail. That's it, son.
I don't see much difference.
Yeah, really, there's not much difference, just a square footage area. But there's the, again, washing machine. Nice sink here. Shower. And they both have two showers, by the way. I want to show you. They got this one here, if you want a handheld. And then they got the big waterfall rainfall. Is what they call a rainfall shower. And here. And then, of course, the separate room with the toilet. Right in here. Don't really need to see that, I guess. I mean, I never know which light to do anyway. But it's a toilet. Yeah. So this one's only $250. You said 1 month rent, 1 month deposit. You signed a 6-month contract. Move right in. That's how easy it is. So I believe he's taking the $300 one, but this one is available. If you're in town, let me know. I can hook you up. All right. Talk to you guys later. All right, guys, and that was successful. Like I said, Joe's going to take the $300 apartment. He's paying and signing the lease right now. We're upstairs in the owner's apartment. He lives on the upper floor, but I wanted to show you this awesome view. Now, of course, he's going to live on the ground floor, so he won't get this view, but look at that. Wow. That is a great view out here on their balcony. I really like it. I dig views like this. And this is inside their apartment. Nice and spacious. There's also a view out there from that balcony. That is really, really awesome. The views, man, there's advantages to living upstairs. Look at this. Nice, wide open. I like it. Alright, so that was it. Easy peasy, nothing to it. Find the apartment you want, you pay the first month's rent and deposit. Sign your lease if there is one. A lot of places have them, some people just month to month. And then you're good to go. Alright, talk to you guys later. Alright, so that's what you can get for $250 and $300 here. And the more you go up, the nicer the places get. But that place is new. They're going to put a brand new mattress and everything on there for them. And they'll have it all ready in 1 week. We're here right now at the Big Angkor Market on Highway 6.
Okay.
As you can see here, this is the Big Angkor Market. Like I said, that's right off Highway 6 here. Another big supermarket, if anybody's interested. Guess I was just asking these gentlemen, and they said it's okay if I take a video, but I have no reason to go in there right now. But we can always come back if you guys want to see another supermarket. They'll generally have the same things as the Asia supermarket that I already did, and the what's the other one I did? Oh, the Thai Hoot market. They'll generally be the same. This one looks to be a little bigger, so they might have some more things, but generally speaking, they'll all carry the same kind of Western style foods and things, if that's something you want. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. And I just want to give a shout out and a thank you to all my supporters. As you know, I always say it's because of you we can go out and make these videos and teach and feed people for free. And each and every one is appreciated. And if I could, I would say thank you individually to each and every one. If you want to receive exclusive videos, content, books, and more, go to any of the links you see on your screen. There are clickable links down below and you will be added to the list. And I'll send you some goodies through your email, just as a way of saying thank you when you first donate. Thank you, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.